Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your money from Relay Bank. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my own personal experience with Relay Bank. If you have any questions about your specific situation, I recommend that you talk to a financial advisor. So, how do you get your money from Relay Bank? There are a few different ways. The first way is to withdraw money from an ATM. Relay Bank has ATMs all over the world. You can find a list of ATMs on their website. The second way is to transfer money to another bank account. You can do this by using online banking or by calling Relay Bank customer service. The third way is to request a check. You can do this by calling Relay Bank customer service. The fourth way is to close your account. When you close your account, your money will be returned to you. If you're going to be withdrawing a large amount of money from an ATM, it's a good idea to call the bank ahead of time and let them know. If you're transferring money to another bank account, make sure that you have the correct account number and routing number. If you're requesting a check, make sure that you have the correct mailing address. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And that's it for today's video on how to get your money from Relay Bank. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.